Guangzhou TouchPi Electronic Technology Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of touchscreen all-in-one PC, touchscreen monitor, desktop all-in-one PC, and advertising digital signage. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We adhere to the accreditation of the ISO 9001 management system, along with all of our products being manufactured under the RoHS compliance scheme. In addition, we have obtained CCC, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, Appearance Design Patent Certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Canada, USA, France, Portugal, Singapore, Colombia, and Saudi Arabia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We adhere to the earnest and sincere attitude to become the most reliable supplier, with the belief that only the win-win situation is the kingly way to success.
We specialize in touchscreen all-in-one PC with 6 years experience in China. We can meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us. Thank you.